In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook ads of competitors in just about 5 minutes. This is a useful skill if you are in the marketing field or run a business and need to keep an eye on what your competition is promoting. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to your preferred search engine, like Google, and typing in Meta Ad Library. This tool allows you to browse through active ads running across Facebook and Instagram. Once you've found it, click on the link to access the Meta Ad Library. Next, you'll find yourself on the home page of the ad library. You'll see a search bar prominently displayed on this page, which allows you to look up specific ads or advertisers. For the purpose of competitive research, you'll want to utilize this feature effectively. Once you've reached the search interface, you should see a location drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select all to ensure you're viewing a comprehensive range of ads from various regions. This is especially important if your competitors are targeting different geographic markets. Following that, you'll need to look at the ad category drop-down. Here, make sure you select all ads to capture every type of promotion your competitor might be running. This will give you a full view of their advertising strategies across the board. Now you're set to search for your competitor. In the search bar, type in the name of the business you're interested in. This will display all the active ads that business is running. It's a great way to see the creative approaches they are using to engage their audience. When you find an ad that piques your interest, click on See Ad Details. This feature provides more in-depth information about each advertisement, including the date it started running and various versions if applicable. From the Ad Details page, there should be an option to Go to Page, which directs you to the business's Facebook page. This is where you can gather more intelligence about your competition. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the About section of their page. This area contains valuable information and transparency about their ad practices. As you scroll, you'll notice a Page Transparency section. Clicking on it will show you if the page is currently running any ads. For a full list of an organization's digital campaigns, click on See All to explore every piece of content they are using to target customers. Finally, continue to go to Ad Library from this section. Here you'll be able to see all their ads that are currently running on Facebook and Instagram. This is a powerful view that can inform your marketing strategies by showing you what's trending, working, or even what's not in the industry. And there you have it. By using the Meta Ad Library, you can stay updated with your competitors' advertising efforts with just a few clicks. It's a key step in maintaining an up-to-date and competitive edge in your market.